In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and remove domains in Lovable AI. Let's get started right from your computer. Open your browser on your PC and head to lovable.dev. Once the site loads, log in with your account. If you have multiple workspaces or projects, make sure you're in the right place before moving on. After logging in, open the specific project or app you want to manage. This is important because domain settings are tied to each individual project, so you'll only see the domains connected to the project you've selected. At the top of the project page, look for the project name. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it, then choose Settings. This takes you into the project's configuration area where you can adjust various options. From here, click on Domains. This section lists every domain associated with the project, including any custom domains you've previously connected. It's a good spot to double-check what's active, what's been configured, and ensure you're looking at the correct domain before making changes. If you need to remove a domain, find it in the list and look to the right for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click that, select Remove, and then click Remove again to confirm. That confirmation step is there to prevent accidental changes, so take a second to verify you're removing the correct domain. After you confirm, the domain will be detached from this project. Keep in mind that removing a domain here does not delete it from your domain registrar. It simply disconnects it from this Lovable project. Also, if the domain was live, changes might take a little time to propagate, depending on DNS caching. A quick note about plans. On a free Lovable AI plan, you cannot add or remove a custom domain. You can still view the domain section to see what's connected, but the ability to add or remove custom domains is restricted. If you're not seeing the option to remove a domain and you know it should be available, double-check the plan you're on or confirm you have the right project selected. That's all there is to it. Open your browser, go to lovable.dev, log in, select your project, go to Settings, then Domains, and use the three-dot menu to remove a domain, confirming when prompted. With these steps, you'll be able to review and manage your project's domains confidently and avoid accidental changes.